Hi there, this is Adrienne Green, Realtor with Sampson Properties, and today I want to talk to you about HVACs. So our heating and cooling systems are prevalent throughout Northern Virginia. We are, whether it's fortunate or not, we happen to live in a climate where we have some extreme temperatures, and so we can expect that every house here has a heating and a cooling system, which we commonly refer to as an HVAC, HVAC, HVAC. So my husband Harley is here with us today because he is the one who kind of oversees maintaining our HVACs here in the house. He's really the one who deals with them. And so he's going to be here today to kind of share with you guys that we had a service call out here that found a malfunctioning part, and kind of the lessons that we've learned from this experience today, and from also the fact that we have multiple houses with investments and multiple HVACs, so we've had more experience with HVACs and service than the average person, and so we just wanted to share a few little lessons learned with you guys today. And so take it away, Harley.
Sure. So some of the lessons learned that I've experienced, I think we have 7 HVAC systems that we own right now and maintain, so that's quite a lot to keep track of. The first thing is at the beginning, when you are getting a new HVAC system and getting it installed, definitely shop it around. There's lots of different service providers that can do the installation. It's a very competitive market here in Northern Virginia, so you can get an estimate from one and you can show it to the other one and ask them to beat it. But you want to make sure you're comparing apples to apples. You want to make sure like your tonnage is correct, that all the different components line up, and you're getting the best possible system for your money. But definitely don't just go with the first quote. Take time and interview 2 to 3 different service providers.
So as a little aside here, tonnage has to deal with the size of the unit. So he's saying make sure you're getting quotes for similarly sized units, and then also similar quality units. We do have different tiers of units that you can get from.
You get your builder grade,
right.
And it goes all the way up to real expensive ones that have humidifiers and dehumidifiers and UV systems.
So like you're saying, there's so much variety that we do want to compare apples to apples and make sure the quotes are for comparable products. All right, keep going.
Yeah. So then once you have it installed, now you're in maintenance mode. So you want to make sure that you have the maintained. You want service at least twice a year in the winter and in the summer to make sure everything's working properly. These are pretty complex systems. There's a lot of moving parts, so things fail. It's not uncommon that you'll have parts fail and have to get them replaced while you own your system. And we just had our system service today, and there was a failure with a particular part that was making the fan not work properly. And that led to this other point, that is, you have to be your own advocate. So when we got the quote for repairing it, I was a little bit shocked at the price initially, I'll be honest. And I had to talk with the technician and be like, well, hey, we have a warranty on this for the parts at this point. Mm-hmm. And that price didn't include the warranty on the parts, so we had to show them our invoice from when we purchased it and say, look, you have a parts warranty on this that you sold us. Then they had to update the price, and then I said, well, hey, we're like members of their service provider club. We have a regular subscription, so they have regular maintenance with us. We're supposed to get a discount there, so that again updated the price. And they also had mailed us some coupons, which I held on to, so we were able to present those. But it's just surprising that they didn't track all that themselves.
Right.
But that's not uncommon. I mean, these service providers, they change hands, company gets sold, you have different management, so you really have to hold on to all the paperwork and be your own advocate for having when you do need the service and repairs.
So in summary, what we have here is that you should definitely shop around when you're getting a new system, and expect that these are complex systems and that things will break. So the warranty that you can get is very important, and keep that original documentation from when you get the system with the warranty information on it, because you will probably be using the warranty. And the savings there can be significant. So today, because the parts were under warranty, that saved us half of the total cost that was originally quoted, just that alone. And the other point to add to that is that the parts warranty is from the manufacturer of the unit itself. It's not from the installer or the service provider. So if we decide that we don't want to stick with this company that installed the system and we want to go to another system, we still have that parts warranty that is good with this other service provider, this other company, this other HVAC service company, because that parts warranty is from the actual manufacturer itself. And then like you're saying, you really have to be your own advocate. So hold on to that paperwork, make sure it's handy, maybe scan it in and have it in an email or a folder if you don't want to keep physical paperwork, but have it where you can use it, because even if you're with the same company that installed the system, which we were today, they were not helpful, and we had to do it all ourselves, and that's pretty common. So these companies change hands quickly, and so it's a lot to think about. Anything else you want to add, Harley?
Sure. I do want to give a shout out to our neighbor, Ned Wentworth, who is a service manager for another HVAC company. Unfortunately, we didn't know him when we got our systems installed, but he actually informed me today. I asked him about the warranty and how it transfers and it's from the manufacturer. So check out the description in the video. We'll give you a link to his website and contact information. He provides A+ excellent service.
So I'll put Ned's contact information below, and then you guys can always reach out to me as well if you have questions about Ned or his company. Thank you so much, Harley. And again, Adrienne Green, Realtor of Sampson Properties, happy to just help all the homeowners today with a little bit of information about having an HVAC system. Thank you and have a great day.